Lucra app. The pros, the cons. Lucra is an investment platform that focuses on simplifying portfolio management while offering analytics and growth insights. But is it right for you? Starting with the pros. First, portfolio tracking. Lucra lets users monitor multiple accounts and investments in one place, offering a complete overview of financial health. Second, data-driven recommendations. The app provides analytics to suggest adjustments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Third, easy-to-use interface. Lucra is designed to make portfolio management accessible even for beginners. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited asset diversity. Lucra primarily covers ETFs and stocks, so alternative investments may be missing. Another drawback is subscription fees for advanced analytics, which may not be cost-effective for smaller accounts. The surprising truth? Many investors overlook small adjustments that compound over time. Lucra's recommendations can help optimize growth even with modest investments. In conclusion, the pros: portfolio tracking, analytics, and simplicity make Lucra appealing for users seeking clarity and actionable insights. The cons: limited assets and premium fees suggest that advanced investors may require other tools. Overall, Lucra is a practical choice for disciplined, data-informed investing.